We'll start with the mustard R30, size 10. This is a variation on Shipman's buzzer. A very effective pattern that's taken a lot of fish for me on still waters. This is sheer 14/0 tying thread, red. We'll just go back to about there. And we need 2 or 3 CDC hackles that we put together. Level the tips and we'll go back. Just like this. Now we can go forward again, flatten out my thread. And go about halfway and I can trim those off like so. And just tie those ends down. And again, another 2 or 3 CDC hackles put together. Take these into the hook eye. That'll do us there for the moment. And then we go back right there and we can trim those off again. So we go back. I have a grizzle variant here, saddle hackle, so we just tie this in and just secure the stem along the hook shank, and we go back to tail base and we need some seal's fur. I'm using fiery brown for this, so I need a little bit of wax on my tying thread. Makes dubbing seal's fur a whole lot easier. Let me just put this on and make a dubbing rope with the seal's fur. We don't need much, just enough to cover the body. And just hold that in position while we want this buggy. You can compare this to Dira, Norwegian pattern. They say this is an old pattern. We go through here. Now what I want to do here is, you see the hackle will go over to grizzle as I come forward. That's what we want. Like that. I'm going to tie this off. You can remove that. Take our whip finisher. And remove our tying thread. And we'll turn it upside down and we'll trim off all the hackle on the underside. There we are, and that's a palmered Shipman's. A really great pattern when there's midges on the water. There's something about it that makes it really work. It's the trout love it. And if you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.